Welcome to our channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to turn on closed captions on Peacock and Netflix. Closed captions are incredibly useful for those who are deaf or hard of hearing, as well as for viewers who prefer to watch content with subtitles. Let's get started. For Peacock, start by selecting the show or movie you want to watch. Once the video starts playing, look for the CC icon on the playback screen. Click on the icon to turn on closed captions. You can also adjust the caption settings to change the appearance of the subtitles to better suit your preferences. Now, let's move on to Netflix. When you've chosen a title to watch, begin playing the content. Next, tap on the dialogue icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. From there, you can select English, CC, or any other available language for closed captions. You can further customize the appearance of the subtitles by going into your account settings on a web browser. And there you have it. Now you know how to easily turn on closed captions on Peacock and Netflix to enhance your viewing experience. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.